Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, your secret weapon for top score. We explain every topic with clarity, precision and engaging examples. Learn smarter, not harder with our step-by-step guidance. Today topic is calculus, integration by parts. We will understand how to integration by parts. So first of all, we will understand important theorem for this is that is u and v are two functions, then d of x, this will be equals, write u as it is, integrate the second function v, d of x minus integration of, differentiate this function, first function du by dx and integrate the second function v with respect to x and d of x for this integral. This is the formula, integral of the product of two function. This is the integral of product of two function. First function multiply by the integral of second function minus integral of the derivative of first function multiply by integral of the second function. So this is the rule. Now we will prove this function as for this purpose let integral of v dx equals w, then v will be equals dw by d of x. The reason is that this is integral and this will be the derivative. Now we will apply the product rule on this. So d by dx, u and w, that will be equals, by using the chain rule, u as it is, derivative of the second function plus w as it is, derivative of the first function. Now integrate this equation with respect to x. So when we integrate, we will get only u and w. So integration of this dx plus dx. Now we will apply the original values in this. We get dw by dx equals v. So this will become uv d of x plus integral of w du by dx and dx. So in this way we have this as this remain in the left hand side, in the right hand side, and remaining this will be subtracted. So we will write this as, in the next step, integral of uv d of x will be equal u, this side will be write as u constant v d of x minus w will be write as integral of v dx. So remaining terms are as du by dx, and then in place of w we will write this value and get integral of v dx and for whole dx. So this is the proof. Now we will solve some questions related to this theorem. Now here is a question for this. I equals x sin x d of x. This is the first function and this is the second function. So we will apply integration of parts. It is u and this will be v. So we will write u equals x and v equals sine of x. So we have to find du by dx, that equals 1, and we have to find integral of v of d of x, that will be equal minus cos of x. So substitute these value in this formula. You will get, in place of u, you will put x and v will be sine of x d of x. So you will get, first of all, u as it is. So x integration of v d of x, that will be minus cos of x minus du by dx, that is 1. Integral of v dx, that is minus cos of x. Now in the next step, minus will be multiplied this plus and get minus x cos of x. Minus minus will plus, integral of cos of x dx. Now we will integrate cos x, that will be equal sin x. So we will write the final answer minus x cos of x, and integration of cos of x will be positive sin of x. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve another example. Now we will solve another question, that is integration of square root a square plus x square d of x. So we will write 1 for ourselves to apply the integration by parts. So if we take 1 as u, so we know that du, if u equals 1, then du will be equal 0 and whole our question cannot be easily solved. So we will consider first function as this one, u equals square root a square plus x square, and v equals 1. This means that du by dx equals 1 over 2 a square plus x square, and 2 of x, 2 and 2 are cancelled out. We have x over square root of a square plus x square. Now integration of x will be now we will find integral of v of d of x, that will be x. Now substitute all the values in this formula. We will get u v d of x equals u equals a square plus x square and v equals 1. D of x equals u value, that is a square plus x square, and v dx, that is x, minus du by dx is x over a square plus x square, and here we have v d of x, that is x. Then we will write d of x. Now we will solve this further and get x into a square plus x square, then minus integration of x into x is x square, square root a square plus x square d of x. Now how we will solve this? For this purpose we will apply a method. We will apply a method in this as, write this as it is, and this can be write as a square plus x square minus a square divided by, we have added a square and also subtracted. Then we get this as x a square plus x square minus integral of a square plus x square divided by a square plus x square, and minus minus will become plus a square by square root a square plus x square d of x. Now here is an important step. We get this integration equals, this is power, we know that 2 by square root 2 if we have, so we can write this as square root 2, because 2 can be write as square root 2 square, so this square will be cancelled just in the denominator. In the numerator we have just square root value, so write this as a square plus s square as a square plus x square only in single square root, because it has two roots, so one root is cancelled by the denominator and we have just single root d of x plus a of a square taken as common and dx over a square plus x square d of x. So we know that dx over square root a square plus x square is sine hyperbolic inverse of x over a. So this will be equal x a square plus x square, and this is equals I, a square plus x square, this was I, so we have I plus I, 2I. This will be added in the left hand side. So remaining is a square, and integration of this will be sine hyperbolic inverse of x over a. Now this 2 is divided by this side and we get the final answer. So I equals x square root a square plus x square divided by 2 plus a square over 2, 2 is divided by here, sine hyperbolic inverse of x over a. So this is the answer. Now we will solve another question. Now question is integration of sine inverse of x d of x. So again we will take 1 in this as a other function. Then write u equals sine inverse of x and v equals 1, and we will get du by dx that will be equal 1 by square root 1 minus x square, and integration of v of d of x equals x. Now apply the formula of integration. We will get u v d of x means sine inverse of x dot 1 d of x equal first function as it is sine inverse of x, and integral of the second function, that will be x, minus du by dx means 1 over square root 1 minus x square, integral of the second function, that is x. So we will write the values on this as this will become x sine inverse of x and minus integral of x over 1 minus x square d of x. Now in this case we will integrate this function. First make the derivative of this in above. Derivative of x square is 2 of x, so we require 2, so we will multiply and divide this by 2, 1 by 2. Reason is that x square equals 2 of x, derivative of x square. So this is equal to x, and again minus sign because minus x square, so minus 2x is required, so here is also minus. So we get x sine of inverse, and this will be plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 minus x square, and power is minus 1 by 2, and its derivative 2 of x d of x. So we get x sine inverse of x and plus, because when 1 is added, this will become minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that will be minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be used, 1 by 2, and integration of this is 1 minus x square, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 are cancel out. We have x sine inverse of x plus square root of 1 minus x square. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve integration of rational function. So best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.